If you've got single pane or older style double pane windows at home, you may be losing a lot of heat in the winter, just like us. They're not very energy efficient, but it can be expensive to have them replaced.
The good news is there's an easy fix. Installing plastic film insulation is both cost-effective and straightforward enough for us to do at home ourselves. It's designed to keep the cold out of your home, and it might just lower your home energy bills. Your local home improvement store should stock a few different types.
This one here is convection control film, which is what we're going to be installing on our windows today. This insulation helps to prevent losing heat during colder months, which makes it best for colder climates.
Another option is solar control film. It reduces UV and glare, which helps to deflect unwanted heat year-round.
Now, we've waited for a dry and mild day to install our window insulation. We recommend you do the same. Here are the tools we're going to use: convection control film, a tape measure, a pair of scissors, double-sided tape, a hairdryer, window cleaner, and a clean cloth.
First things first, we need to make sure the window we're working on is locked in a closed position so that we can clean the window pane thoroughly.
Next, we need to measure the window so that we can cut the plastic film to the correct size. I'm purposefully leaving a couple of extra inches on each side so that we've got plenty to work with.
We're going to use regular double-sided tape to stick the film into position. For optimal results, prepare the plastic film to sit at about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch from the window pane. We're going to start at the top and then slowly make our way down the sides, trying to keep the plastic film as tight as possible as we move towards the bottom of the window. Now here's a little trick.
Use a hairdryer to shrink out any wrinkles in the plastic. Be sure to hold it a few inches away from the film and move in a sweeping motion to achieve a smooth finish. And finally, I'm going to trim off the excess film from around the edges using a pair of scissors.
And that's all there is to it. A simple upgrade that added insulation to our home without replacing a window or calling a contractor.
Right? Quick and easy. And it's just one of the ways that we can help make our home more energy efficient. Try it out and feel the difference.